Hello everybody. Hi, this is Devesh Gupta and I am with Senthil Kumar from JWT. Hi Senthil.
Hello everybody. Hi.
How are you doing at Goa Fest?
Good man.
How's
So far,
things?
so good.
How's things going at Goa Fest? It's the third day. Second day was a great.
It was a good start. We got 3 goals and like total 17 medals yesterday. So it's a good start, and we're hoping for a good finish today as well. So we got the ideas in, and we don't know the results yet, but we're hoping that we do cross the finish line well ahead of the others in the competition.
You recently took over as CCO.
Yes.
Okay. It's been some time, like a few months, but how are things shaping up at JWT with you being in the commanding position?
I've always been in the commanding position, I think, ever since I became National Creative Director like 4 years ago. But right now, it's the designation has changed and the responsibility has increased because all 6 officers now work with me directly as I'm the Chief Creative Officer. I try and behave like a captain of a soccer team or the captain of a ship, and make sure that the strikers do the great job of doing the fantastic work. The midfielders, deliver the ideas, and the goalkeeper and the defense make sure that everything is right. So we've outlined roles for everybody in the team, and it is because of all of them coming together as one force is that we're seeing this kind of result. So if we win Agency of the Year tonight, it'll be a hat-trick. This will be the 3rd year in a row that J. Walter Thompson India is Agency of the Year at Goa Fest, which is a big thing because it is our undisputed national awards. It's a great thing to be on top of the creative game.
Okay. So which campaigns you are banking on?
Yesterday we won 3 goals. One for Godrej, fantastic radio campaign.
Right.
And then Airtel, I think the Airtel work, which won 1 gold and I think 3 or 4 silvers yesterday, was an outstanding piece, which is on a regular brief where the team actually managed to convert an opportunity and create something outstanding. Tying up with Amish Tripathi and tying up with getting small children to tell stories, which is what traditionally we are all about. The world of stories. So I think Airtel, Godrej. Some work you will see in the digital space on Pepsi, on Mountain Dew, and of course some of the good social campaigns that we've done this year.
Right. What changes you see at Goa Fest this time?
It's getting better, it's getting bigger, I think, than last year at least. If you look at the numbers, the statistics, I'm seeing a lot more happier people this time around. Not many people cribbing and complaining like usually the case. When you land up in Goa Fest, half the guys are telling you that this is not fair or that's not happening. I haven't heard that much yet.
Okay.
So maybe it's a good Goa Fest for everybody, and that's how it should be. Finally, it's a festival of ideas.
Right.
And if it's your national awards for in a festival of ideas, let's celebrate the ideas. Let's not pull them down or hamper the growth of the ideas, but let's actually propagate them and actually try and pick the best horses to showcase. We should, in fact, I've been telling the organizers at Goa Fest that every year we should be doing a showcase of the Indian advertising. So maybe the output from Goa Fest, the top 10 pieces, we should make into like a showcase and share it with the rest of the world, and make our work, make our country famous.
Right. And several big agencies give a miss to Goa Fest every year. So what do you have to say about that?
It only matters who's at the starting lineup in any race, right? So it's sad that a couple of agencies are not taking part to Goa Fest. Hopefully they will next year or the year after that. And I'm sure the organizers are trying to get to make it a very inclusive festival and make it the undisputed national awards, as we want to call it. We hope that they will participate, but right now, if they're not in the race, they don't really matter. Yeah.
And what's your first memories of Goa Fest? You have to think over this.
That's like, I don't know how many years ago. 8 years?
9 years? 9 years?
Yeah. Maybe it was all. The single visual image of Goa Fest is the beach, right? The festival on the beach. So like we have Cannes, which is the festival on the Palais. This one is, I think, an awesome festival of ideas that you have at the beach. I think that's the first takeaway that I had when I came here many years ago. It's more fun and the sun and sand and lots of heavy metal to be won if you've got your entries or your work running in the race. It's an exhibition finally, right?
Obviously.
So it's an exhibition of ideas on the beach. That's cool. Yeah.
Awesome. So this is Devesh Gupta with Senthil Kumar signing off at Goa Fest.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, Senthil.
Bye.
Take care.
Yeah, bye.